In today's video, I will teach you how to create a photocopy effect using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea, then go to File, then Open, and select the image you'd like to apply the photocopy effect to. Now, in the toolbar, ensure your foreground color is set to black and your background color is set to white. You can quickly reset these by pressing D on your keyboard. Now, go to Filter, then select Filter Gallery. This opens a workspace where you can apply multiple filter effects. In the Filter Gallery, go to the Texture category on the right side and select Grain. Then adjust the intensity and contrast sliders to your preference. For a classic photocopy look, set the grain type to regular. Now click the new filter icon at the bottom right corner of the Filter Gallery panel to create a new filter layer on top of the grain filter. In the Sketch category, select Stamp. This filter creates a high contrast black and white imagery that mimics photocopying. Then use the light and dark balance slider to adjust the balance between highlights and shadows. Move left for more highlights, then move right for more shadows. Then you can switch back to the grain filter to adjust its settings as needed to balance the overall effect. And once satisfied, you can click OK to apply the filters. Now go to the Layers panel and click the New Adjustment Layer button and choose Gradient Map. Then click on the gradient bar to open the gradient editor. Here you can choose preset gradients or create custom colors to add a tonal effect to your image. And to keep the classic photocopy feel, you can use a grayscale gradient or experiment with other colors for unique effects. An optional step is enabling the reverse option to invert the gradient. Now go to File, then Open in Place, and select a paper texture from your computer to overlay on your image. This will give the photocopy a realistic paper appearance. Now use the Move tool or Free Transform tool to adjust the size and position of the texture so that it fully covers your image. With the texture layer selected, go to the Blending Mode dropdown in the Layers panel and experiment with options like Multiply or Overlay to blend the texture with your image. Then reduce the opacity if the effect is too intense for a subtle texture. And to save your image, go to File, then Export As, and select your preferred file format like JPEG or PNG. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.